Hello everyone, this is Wellaway, and today episode we are making these cute fortune cookies. This is good for Valentine's Day. First, we have to mix all the liquid ingredients. You can find the measurement and list from the description below. So mix the liquid ingredients using your whisk. As soon as you can see the bubbles, that will be enough. And then you can add all the dry ingredients. These cookies will turn out to be super cute. Your family or your loved one will definitely love them. So after adding all your dry ingredients, mix them together until all combine. At first, it's kind of a little bit thick, but eventually keep mixing and the butter will loosen up. Again, you can find all the measurement from the description below. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming over. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified for any new uploaded videos. Separate about 1/4 cup from the mixture. This will be used later on for our decoration. And start coloring the mixture. I've used a red velvet color. Did you know that fortune cookies originated from Japan? I thought it was a food dessert from Chinese. It is always been served after meal in any Chinese restaurant. Anyway, after coloring the batter, spoon out a tablespoon onto the baking tray and using the back of your tablespoon, spread out, making a 4 inches circle. As you can see, I have a template underneath my non-stick liner. And make a dot of your white or yellow color batter. This will serve as a decoration, making a little heart shape. You can create your own design. You can make big heart or small heart. Bake the cookies at 170 degrees centigrade for 12 minutes. While the cookies are in the oven, let's prepare the messages. You can be romantic and cheesy with these messages because it's Valentine's Day. Like, for example, me without you is like a spaghetti without a sauce. Once the cookies are ready, using spatula, flip the cookie onto the wrong side. Do this as quick as you can while the cookies are hot. Otherwise, it goes dry and hard. Place the message in the middle and fold onto 2 and press against your cup. Give it a few seconds and place it into your cupcake pan. Mind you, it is very hot, so be careful. If you have gloves, use them. It seems my finger can tolerate the heat at the moment. I am only doing 2 cookies on each bake because I need to shape the cookies as soon as they are out of the oven before they go hard. But if you have an extra hand, you could do 3 or 4. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified for any of my new uploaded videos. Let your cookies cool down for an hour or 2. And there you have it. your Valentine's Fortune Cookies. Let's have a try. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.